I am Madhumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Graphics and Creative Design and Data Analytics. Today I am going to talk about decision making in C. Introduction. Decision making statements decides the direction and the flow of the program. They are also known as conditional statements because they specify conditions with boolean expression evaluated to true or false boolean values. If the condition is true, a given block of code will execute. If the condition is false, the block will not execute. Types of decision making: if statement, switch statement, go to statement, conditional operator statements. If statement, the if in C is a decision making statement that is used to execute a block of code based on the value of the given expression. It is one of the core concepts of C programming and it is used to include conditional code in our program. Types in if statements: if else statement, nested if else statements, and else if ladder. If else statement: the if else statement is the decision making statement that is used to decide whether the part of the code will be executed or not based on the specified condition. If the given condition is true, then the code inside the block is executed. Otherwise, the code inside the else block is executed. Nested if statement. A nested if in C is an if statement that is the target of another statement. Nested if statements means an if statement inside another if statement. Both C and C++ allow us to use two nested if statement within if statement. That is, we can place an if statement inside another if statement. If else ladder. If else ladder in C programming is used to test a series of conditions sequentially. Furthermore, if a condition is nested, tested only when all previous if conditions in the if else ladder are false. If any of the condition expressions evaluate to be true, the appropriate code block will be executed and the entire if else ladder will be terminated. Switch statement. Switch case statement evaluates a given expression and based on the evaluated value matching a certain condition, it executes the statement associated with it. Basically, it is used to perform different action based on different conditions. Switch case statements follow a selection control mechanism and allow a value to change control of execution. There are substitute for long ifs uh, that compare a variable to several integral values. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different part of code based on the value of the expression. In C, the switch case statement is used for executing one condition from multiple conditions. It is similar to an if else and if else ladder. The switch statement consists of conditional based cases and a difficult cases. Go to statement. The C go to statement is jump statement, which is sometimes also referred to as a unconditional jump statement. The go to statement can be used to jump from anywhere to anywhere within a function. Conditional operator statement. The conditional operator in C is kind of similar to the if else statement as it follows the same algorithm as of if else statement, but the conditional operator takes less space and helps to write the if else statements in the shortest way possible. It is also known as the ternary operator in C as it operates on three operands. Conclusion. Overall, decision making statements in C are crucial part of programming and can be very useful for creating flexible, efficient and organized code. However, like any programming construct, they have their advantages and disadvantages, and it is important to use the appropriately and carefully to avoid bugs and errors. By using decision making statement in a thoughtful and deliberate way, you can create more robust and maintainable programs that are easier to understand and modify over time. Thank you.